Hello dear Scorpios, welcome back to my channel, and this is your last week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your love life, you've got the Astronomer and the Pepes card. Such a beautiful card. This tells me that you are a kind of perfect partner, somebody who can take care of the home, of the kids, of their work, of somebody who's sick, go out and party. Like a perfect partner people dream of, you are that person. So if in your relationship and in your marriage, I do not see any major changes or major mishaps happening. Your relationship and marriage is going to be very smooth this week. And if you're single, you are making a very important choice in your life. I do see that you're being choosy and picky and following your intuition when it comes to choosing the right partner, and rightly so. Please follow your intuition this week because that's going to be your best friend. I also see that even if you are being presented offers, marriage proposals through family, last final call will be yours. Nobody is going to push you and nobody is going to ask you to change your decision. I also see that in case ever you are confused about a person, you will be like, everyone is saying that I should marry this person because they are good or they have a good back balance, but my intuition doesn't agree with it. Sometimes I just feel that the vibes are off. In that case, please listen to yourself, because those people don't see what your intuition sees. Ultimately, you have to spend the rest of your life with that person, so your heart, your intuition knows better. So please follow your own guidance. And yes, to others, it's more or less a smooth week. In person relationships, nothing major happening, and no news is also sometimes good news. Let's see what's happening in your professional life. You've got the One of Moons and the Ten of Suns. I'm thinking that you are waiting for some sort of, hope for promotion or some sort of money coming your way or some sort of deal. You guys are going to crack a business deal. So whether you are in a job or whether you have your own business, there is a lot of politics that is happening. There is a lot of things happening behind your back which you might not be aware of, and that's why you are very positive of for the outcome. You believe it's going to happen, but unfortunately you will see that there will be delays. There's not one person but many people involved, not exactly that they are together, but everyone has their own agenda and they hold their own grudges against you. So they will be bearing false witness against you, blaming you for something you haven't done, trying to snatch your business deals, your clients, your money, right, your job, your position, promotion. So there are people who will try to bring you down. This is a week where you have to maintain your distance with people. No office friends are office friends, or no competitors are friends as such. So please this week be very, very cautious of who you trust and not. Uh, you will have to be strong because people will be blaming and defaming you in every possible way. So do not start trusting other people uh, just because there are more people who are talking shit about you doesn't mean it's true. So you have to be your own best friend. You have to trust yourself and you don't have to give in just because people are blaming you for something you haven't done. If you are a good person, if you think you haven't done anything, then please continue to believe that. Be strong this week. Let this week pass, and automatically next week onwards you will see that there will be changes in your career, right? This is going to be a tough week for you, so you have to be strong. Thankfully, your personal life has been taken care of. So this was your last week's reading. If you guys resonated with it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know what exactly is your situation if you resonated with this. I will be reading your comments and I will try to reply to all of you. And this was a general reading, so all your questions might not have been answered. So if you have that specific question on your mind, then you can go ahead and book personal readings with me. And if you think you have multiple questions about your career, you can take a career package. If you're single, you have multiple questions about it, you can take a singles package. Or if you are in a love situation, you can choose love package as well, and a free remedy will be given to you to remove the blockages from that area of your life. Other than that, I do have separate rituals available with me: blockage removal ritual and manifestation ritual. And I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you think you have a heavy heart, you need somebody to talk to, guide you, get you out of that problem, just hear you out or share your burden. And sometimes we have a lot of secrets with us which are actually eating us alive, but we are afraid, or of being laughed at or judged, or our secrets being revealed, even if those are our own friends or family, but we can't share with them. In that case, you can always come to me. I do have audio video call sessions available with me on Zoom, on Google Meet and Instagram. You can book your session with me, half an hour, 1 hour session, and you can start your spiritual counseling right away. And with the help of your angels, I will be giving you a guidance here as well. To make any kind of booking of any of these services, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram because I post about what services are available, what are the prices available. Every service has a different price range, so you can choose according to your budget. I do have information like when am I coming live, when is the new video being uploaded, when is the channel closed, and why. All these details you'll get if you want to stay updated on my channel. So yes, this was all about your last week. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.